everybody. On this video, I'm just gonna show a bad BMW steering lock or a bad ELV. It normally gives you that message that the engine will not start. Okay, and also the picture of the red steering lock when you turn off the car. So this is a E60. On the E60 it's pretty easy to remove the steering lock. It's only 2 bolts on the side of the steering lock. This is actually the steering lock. Like I said, this is E60, which is really easy to remove. So what I have done on the connector, I have installed a bypass to start the car and get rid of the message. To get rid of the message, we need to reset the system with the BMW icon. As we can see right here, there is no more steering lock, so I can, with the engine off, I can move the steering column. Okay. So I'm gonna erase the faults. It's gonna take a little bit.